Hey YouTube, this is Nathan. Welcome to my motorized bike project. This time I will use a 26-inch beach cruiser. As you can see here, it's a 26-inch. I just got it off Walmart for less than $100. I feel like this is a great bike because it has handbrakes, has gear changed, has front and rear brakes, some big tires, and then we're gonna mount the motor on that. Alright guys, so this is the motor I got. I got the one with black coated paint. This is the throttle, this is the gas tank here, and then we have the muffler and also all the other joints. Hey YouTube, so here we go. This is the motorized bike I have built. It's a little project. That's a 80/66cc bike engine with the 2-liter gas tank. As you can see, I have a multiple gear bike. This is the clutch, and then I have another one for brakes. The original brakes, gear changing, and then the throttle, kill switch. I have a bike mount for smartphones. This is a 26-inch bike. Again, this is on Walmart.com. You can get this bike for $100, and then the engine will cost another $120. So in order to ride this thing, you would have to pedal while you're holding on to the clutch. While you're up to 5 miles per hour, you can let go of the clutch, continue to pedal, and squeeze the throttle, and then the engine will start up. After brakes, clutch, brakes, gear change when you want to ride the... Alright, so this is how I'm going to ride. I'm going to press on the clutch.